Hello, my name is Elise Kodorobe, and today is March 31st, 2019. This is a short video lab exercise for my Bio240 class, lab course. Alright, put that right there. So in this short video, I'm going to record myself pointing to the locations of following lymphatic organs on my own body, a model or a picture. For the purposes of my exercise, I am going to be using my own body because it's the most readily available. So, here we go. The first one is the thymus. So the thymus is actually located in your chest, directly behind your sternum, kind of in front of your lungs. Well, between your lungs, rather. And it's pretty close to the trachea and the heart. The spleen is located in the abdomen, specifically in the upper left quadrant, kind of next to the stomach. There's a spleen there where cells go to die. Great. Bless you. Bless you. Tonsils are basically little nodes of soft lymphatic tissue, and they're located in the back of your mouth. Everyone's familiar with tonsils. The appendix. The appendix is a small, sort of like little, it's almost shaped like a worm. It's a small little structure. I'll use structure. It's like a little tube, specifically where the junction of your small intestines and your large intestines is. And oftentimes people get it inflamed. You can live without it. You can also live without your spleen, to be honest. Next, Peyer's patches. And Peyer's patches are basically little masses of lymphatic tissue that are found throughout your small intestines, certain parts of your small intestines. And what's next? Cervical lymph nodes around your cervical spine. So whenever a doctor feels underneath your throat, this to check your lymph nodes in your neck. And axillary lymph nodes are basically your armpits. The way I remember the last two is, if you guys think back to the bubonic plague, the parts that supposedly swell up during the Black Plague are the area around your neck and your armpits. And that's it for all the locations. Next, I have to, after you have identified these important structures, spend 2 minutes describing the flow of lymph through the body. Alright, so, lymph. A majority of lymph is basically plasma that is outside of the circulatory system, the traditional circulatory system. A general explanation of how it kind of goes around your body is, I would have to say it probably starts right around where the capillaries are. So you've got your venous capillaries and, well, your capillaries, which is the bridge between venules and arterioles. And what happens is, because they're so permeable, a lot of fluid escapes that region. And that fluid is ultimately reabsorbed in large part by your veins and your venules, and because of positive pressure. So a lot of it is reabsorbed, but whatever isn't reabsorbed is picked up by lymphatic capillaries in the same region. And what happens is, once a lot of that fluid is reabsorbed back into the lymphatic system, it's known as lymph. And there's various other structures and organelles that are either the birthplace or a location where a lot of immune system response stuff happens. Like the thymus makes various cells, I think. And there's little, what's it called? Lymph nodes all over your body, in their little regions of concentrated lymph tissue that are very rich in a lot of immune cells. immune cells, like white blood cells and various other phages. And that's basically how it works. It's basically a mechanism to hold on to lost, or to reabsorb and reimplement lost plasma and fluid outside of your circulatory system. And it also serves an important immune function. This concludes my video. Thank you for your attention. Thanks.